the writer and the web. If your dream is to get published, the chance is before you. The web has opened the portals of opportunity to all aspiring writers and freelance writers. It's a whole new world with unlimited access to ideas and subjects for writers. Endless resources and information are available at the click of your mouse to help you get started and keep you going. It's up to you to exercise due diligence to make your dream of writing a reality. It does not happen overnight. It all starts with that first, small step towards pursuing your dream. The internet offers all kinds of avenues for anyone who has ambitions to write. Where do you begin? Read what the multitude of e-zines and newsletters have to offer. This gives you an idea of what interests people as they spend more and more time surfing the web. What are the latest trends? Pay attention to issues that tend to pop out here and there, again and again. Subscribe to pertinent groups or forums that can be helpful in your quest. Stay abreast with the latest news, be interested in anything and everything. Open up your mind. Then, you can decide which venue is right for you. Ask yourself, are you interested in mainstream type of writing? Or would you choose specific areas of interest? Assess your inclinations, your passions, and your hobbies. What beliefs do you hold close to your heart? Make a list. In your career, what is your area of expertise? Do you write reports? Do you keep a journal? A diary? You're already a writer. Get excited about writing down your ideas. The golden opportunity is before you, as never before. Actually, jumping in the bandwagon of writing for the internet can be overwhelming for the faint of heart, confusing for the skeptic, yet exciting for the go-getter. Which one are you? The internet is open to all segments of society and to people from all walks of life. Access is not limited to the technologically inclined. It is no longer as intimidating as it was when the information superhighway first opened in the 20th century. People are less apt to admit their computer illiteracy. Rather, more members of our society are learning how to navigate the cyberspace. Learn about the basic rules of writing for the web. Cyber readers tend to be fast thinkers, speed readers, with only seconds to spare. If you want to grab their attention, remember, you only have precious few seconds to do it. Take heart. You already know this. You love to see your byline. The web will help you get your name out there. The more you write, the better you'll get at it. Technically, if your work gets published online, you are considered published. Only thing, writing for the web for the countless e-zines and newsletters and websites is not for those who intend to make a living from their writing. Not at the start. If you are willing to write and submit your articles for free, don't miss out. For the aspiring writer, it is a good way to start. The more you write, the more exposure you will get, readers will get to know your name. Writing for the internet helps to drive traffic to your website. What are you waiting for?
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.